Does this sound familiar? The alarm blares, your hand shoots out, and the first thing you do is grab your phone. Before your feet even hit the floor, you're scrolling through emails, news alerts, and social media notifications. Your morning has become a chaotic sprint before you've even had a chance to truly wake up. This frantic start doesn't just feel bad. It actually wires our brains for stress and reactivity for the rest of the day. We're instantly pulled into a world of demands, deadlines, and drama, derailing our peace before our day has even begun. But what if there was another way? Imagine starting your day feeling centered, calm, and genuinely ready for whatever comes your way. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's the tangible power of a mindful morning. It's about consciously choosing calm over chaos, presence over pressure. In this video, we're going to explore simple, practical ways to transform your morning routine from a source of stress into a sanctuary of peace, setting the stage for a more focused, fulfilling, and intentional day. Let's start this journey together. The foundation of a mindful morning isn't some complicated ritual. It's something you're already doing every second of every day, breathing. But the key is to shift from automatic breathing to conscious breathing. Simple breath work is your most powerful and immediate anchor to the present moment. When your mind is racing with tomorrow's to-do list or yesterday's regrets, your breath is always right here, right now. It's a tool you can use anytime, anywhere to instantly calm your nervous system. A fantastic technique to start with is the 4-7-8 breath. It's incredibly simple and effective. All you do is inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8, making a gentle whooshing sound. Just 3 or 4 rounds of this can dramatically shift your state from agitated to at ease. Try it right after your alarm goes off, before you even sit up. You don't need a 30-minute meditation session to benefit from this. You can find micro moments of mindfulness all throughout your morning routine. As the coffee maker is brewing, instead of grabbing your phone, just stand there and take 3 deep, conscious breaths. Feel the warmth of the mug in your hands. As you're getting dressed, notice the texture of the fabric. These tiny moments of paying attention, anchored by your breath, accumulate and create a powerful buffer against the day's stress. Once you've anchored your awareness with your breath, it's time to gently awaken your body. I'm not talking about a high-intensity workout or a punishing trip to the gym first thing. The goal here is a gentle, compassionate awakening, a way to say good morning to your body and foster a sense of gratitude for it. This is about fostering a mind-body connection, not just burning calories. Think simple, accessible movements. A few minutes of intentional stretching can work wonders. While you're waiting for the kettle to boil, you could do some gentle neck rolls, releasing the tension that often builds up while we sleep. Reach your arms up to the sky, feeling a long, luxurious stretch through your entire torso. Then, fold forward and let your head hang heavy, releasing your lower back. These aren't just physical movements. They're acts of presence. Pay attention to the sensations in your muscles. Notice where you feel tight and send your breath to that area. You can even turn everyday actions into a form of moving meditation. As you walk from your bedroom to the kitchen, instead of shuffling along in a mental fog, feel your feet making contact with the floor. Notice the shift in your weight from one foot to the other. This simple act of paying attention to your movement transforms a mundane task into an opportunity to connect with yourself and your surroundings. It's about bringing intention and awareness to the physical experience of starting your day. With your mind calmed and your body gently awakened, the next step is to connect with your inner world and set a positive trajectory for your day. This is where reflection and intention setting come in. For many of us, the morning is about creating a to-do list, a frantic list of tasks we need to conquer. A mindful approach invites us to shift from a list of what we need to do to how we want to feel . A simple journaling practice can be transformative here. Instead of just listing tasks, Take 2 minutes to write down one thing you're grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to a scarcity mindset. Then ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Maybe the answer is calm, focused, patient, or creative. From that feeling, you can set a single, powerful intention for your day. Instead of a dozen goals, choose one word or a short phrase to be your guide. For example, if your intention is patience, you can call upon that word when you're stuck in traffic or dealing with a difficult colleague. This single intention acts as a compass, guiding your actions and responses. You can also practice what's called future pacing with presence. Take a minute to visualize your day ahead. See yourself moving through your schedule with that feeling of calm and clarity you've cultivated. Imagine navigating potential challenges with this newfound awareness. This isn't about rigid planning. It's about mentally rehearsing a state of being, making it more likely that you'll embody it when the time comes. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds wonderful, but my mornings are already so busy. How can I possibly fit this in? Here's the most important thing to remember. No perfection is required. This is not another thing to be perfect at. Consistency always trumps intensity. Even 5 minutes of mindful practice in the morning can completely change the tone of your entire day. It's far better to do 5 minutes every day than 1 hour once a month. Let's troubleshoot some common hurdles. That snooze button can be a real dream killer. Try placing your alarm across the room, so you have to physically get out of bed to turn it off. Once you're up, go straight into your mindful practice, even if it's just 1 minute of 4-7-8 breathing. If your schedule is packed, look for the gaps. You can do your breathing while the shower heats up. You can do your stretches while you wait for toast. The key is to link these new habits to existing ones. And what about distractions, like family or pets? Communicate your needs. Let your family know you're taking just a few minutes for yourself, and that a calmer you is a benefit to everyone. If all else fails, the bathroom can be a surprising sanctuary of peace for a few moments. Consider this your personal blueprint for a better day. I encourage you to experiment. Try 1 or 2 of these practices this week. See how it feels. Notice the impact it has not just on your morning, but on your afternoon and evening as well. You have the power to consciously create your day, starting from the very first moment. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of mindful mornings. I hope you feel inspired to trade that morning chaos for a little more conscious calm. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content on living with intention and presence. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What is one small change you're going to try in your morning routine this week? Let's support each other in this journey. Have a beautiful, mindful day.